Hi everyone, welcome on my channel. This is Manisha, and today I am recording myself and at sunset time. So now is sunset is about to sunset, and during daytime I was not able to record myself. I recorded actually, but I did not uploaded my video because I did not find satisfactory. I have recorded, I have listened, then I found that it was not as I want. So I did not record it. I dropped the idea off to upload on my YouTube channel. So yeah, and yeah, so I did not record, why I could did not continue with that. I could record on more videos, but actually I have only 15 to 20 minutes or max 25 minutes. So either in during that time I could record myself, or I could do something else. So somewhere it's wasted my time. I have recorded, but I did not upload it because actually my one of the parents one of the my student parents have asked me to give class in daytime. So I have to give their time. I have to go and give class to them because they have to go somewhere in evening time. So I thought, okay, I have an option, I will record myself in evening time. So I thought, okay, why I could not show in evening. So that's why I'm recording this time. And one thing I also want to tell, winter is completely gone, and now the summer is heading, scorching heat, and now I could feel that it's too much scorching and sweating and all that. Yeah, I do not like summer. Why summer is coming? But yeah, it's a nature, so it will happen no matter we like or not. Yeah, so you tell me, do you like summer? You know what? Why I don't like summer? Because in summer, first of all, lizard. I do not like lizard. Yeah, it's too much. It's too irritating whenever I see lizard. And the second thing, uh, we do not have option. In winter, we have option to add up more and more layer, no matter if we're going outside. But in summer, we do not have kind of this option. We could not carry air conditioner and cooler with ourselves. So this is the also reason. And yeah, every season has their pros and cons, but yeah, everyone has their own choice. So and yeah, and one thing I also would like want to tell you, since few days I was not recording myself because I was feeling so sluggish, lethargic. I don't know why it's happening to me. Even today was also I was feeling the same, but I